Yes, yes. So this is going to be a bit interesting because I have applied for the permit. It took a bit of some time for me to get. It's actually approved, so I'll be heading to the supermarket. So I'll be taking you on a tour to actually see what I'll be getting and a couple of stuff that I need. So stay tuned and I'll be taking you with me. So one thing that I'm actually scared of, it's this flashing of the cameras. I've realized that a lot of people who are driving, they get flashed by the cameras, but I guess they will be checking later on to ensure that you actually requested a permit before you leave the house. So it's so hot out here. The summer is coming shortly, so. Oh my word, there's like police every single corner. It's not even funny. And look, they are checking permits there. Oh shit. This is serious, eh? This is so scary as well. So let's see if there's cameras in the flash. Nothing. Anibisabadala bashise pepensamu zibize nabafundisi bathandaze anibisabadala bashise pepensamu zibize nabafundisi bathandaze. Quite cloudy, however, the heat, oh gosh, it's so unbearable, you know, like it's just so much of it. But hey, it is what it is. So, shopping is actually done now. It wasn't such a bad damage after all that I anticipated. I thought it was going to be worse. So, thank you. So, my friends think that I was actually playing with fire, considering the fact that I wanted to actually go and do all this grocery shopping and everything. Well, they're like, oh, you're driving, you're playing with fire. Listen here, particularly you who sent me all those messages. I wasn't playing with any fire. You do a permit online for people who actually don't know how it's done, and you put your address and then you put the timings, exactly how long you're going to be out, and then from then you wait for an SMS to come through to approve you in regards to tell you that okay, then you can go and do your shopping and everything. And then yeah, you have to make sure that you make it before time. That's all. So yeah, just gonna stand next to this car. There you go. Not a lot of I'm actually driving very slow because I'm afraid that the camera is gonna fall, and that's why I imagined because I can't afford to have things breaking down. You know, it's just one of those years where
Mars so cold, I think I'm done with icebergs. If I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch, you done.
Hey,
Rika Sperm. Yes, yes.
why ungithatha? Why ungithatha?
Hayi fokofa wena.
Uyangithatha.
Ubise mangibish online lokhala.
No, well, that was the WhatsApp. That was not even online.
Hayi wena.
You are not being fair. Wena uthi mina.
What's wrong? How are you?
Ngidlala ngomoya la ngithi ngenzani ngiyakanga.
How are you? How are you?
I'm good. You know I called you yesterday, right?
Yeah, but I was drunk. I don't even remember what I said to you. What did I say to you? Like I was so
Well, Well, we were talking about something, and you fell asleep on me over a call, and I thought the call was
Oh
just...
my God! I passed out on you, ne?
Twice, not
I
even
know
once.
I passed out on the phone, but I don't remember who I was talking to.
You should have checked the time. That would have
Oh
helped
my
you.
goodness! But what did I say?
I called you again, and then you picked up, and you're like, "Yo, friend, I just passed out," you know, and then you had to stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, all right,
But it's okay. Yeah, I'm good, babe. Yo, ngingafuna permit because like, I was starting to see which I'm running out of small things, and I need to go buy certain things that I need in a house, and besides, I was starting to eat just cooked food only, but I wasn't getting a source of a fruit and stuff like that, so I needed to go get a bit of those because you know.
Nami here, I've been cooking up for the past 4 days. And today I'm thinking of applying for that thing. Yes, spinach, not singer. Spinach chicken and salads.
Yeah, and
Salads.
I mean it's easy. I can send you the link. Unai link yakho.
Please send it to me. Hey, let me do it. Yes,
when I get home, I'll certainly do that.
Please do.
Yeah. Yeah, it was.